Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about the advantages and the disadvantages of Forex trading. So what would be the actual advantages and disadvantages of day trading that nobody else talks about? So one of the things that people think that day trading can make you rich overnight. That's absolutely BS. That doesn't happen at all. So what you can really expect from it is freedom, actually, not becoming rich, but freedom of lifestyle. So the upside of doing forex trading is that you would have, if you become good at it, and you're really pretty confident in it, and that you know that you can rely on it for the rest of your life. The upside of it is that you can work remotely and become free, and you don't have to work all the days in throughout the year. And that is one of the upsides. The other upside is that you're gonna make the other upside is that you're gonna be able to be remote and be anywhere and do whatever you want. You don't have to be in a job. You don't have to start a business. You don't have to risk your time for something else. You don't have to risk going out there and talking to people, signing contracts and whatever, and might have a lawsuit over you or anything like that, or working for a boss and having a risk that somebody in your office and whatever, or in your workplace, are gonna kick you out of the business or out of your workplace, out of your job, because you made some enemies in your place. You won't have to deal with any kind of those things. The only risk that you're gonna be having is that from your own money management, that you are not making money, you're in the loss, or you're in a profit. So you're your own boss at this point. But that's a good side. I haven't spoke about the bad side yet. That's the second thing, that you are your own boss and you don't have to answer to anybody, except the market. And the third upside is that once you become good at it, you can trade someone else's money and make money for them and make percentage out of that. And that could be a lot of money if you have good track record. I've explained that in any other videos. You can check that out. Also, if you become good at it, you can do trading as a hedge fund manager. You can have your own hedge fund, or you can work for a company if you prefer that. But overall, the upsides are a lot. There are a few more upsides. You would have more time to take care of your health, and to become good at forex trading, you need to have good health. Some people will pull it off without having good health. Yeah, they might work out, but it's not sustaining long term. And the other good thing about forex trading, day trading, is that you don't need to work so many hours of it a day, like other businesses where you have to put a lot of money in the beginning, a lot of money and time in the beginning, and then it becomes automated. In forex, you don't have to do that. You get into the market in the morning maybe, and then get out in the afternoon, and between that you do a lot of personal stuffs, and you can make your trading automated, like your strategy automated, and it trades automatically. Or maybe it gives you a signal that then you decide whether you get in or not. So there could be a lot of ways to pull that off, you know, and you can have a very autonomous life and doing whatever you want, you know. Okay, let's speak about the downsides. The downsides are also a lot. The first one is that there is no personal development. The only personal development that you're getting from day trading is knowing more about your psychology and becoming much more good at your mathematics skills. But if you're doing this and you're doing nothing else and you're putting all your time into this, you know, your social life will go down, your social skills will go down, and you won't be a person that's good at socialing, you know. And socialing is a very important part of being a human and being successful in your life. And the other downside is that wait a minute, first is social. The other downside is that you can't rely on many brokers out there. Like, in order to be good at trading, even if you're good at trading, there could be some problems with your brokers out there. They might not give you a withdrawal, you know. They might not send you back your money, you know. Or there could be many other issues, geographical issues. You may be in a different country and then suddenly you cannot withdraw money from the banks. Or you could be the regulation might suddenly change, and then you might not be able to use the broker that you have been using this whole time. Like for US citizens, a lot of US citizens cannot use many brokers anymore because many brokers decided not to cooperate with I think it's the Security Exchange Department of United States. A lot of them, they don't want to cooperate with them, and that's why they will not accept US clients. So this might happen to any other country. And if like a lot of political reasons or policies might turn out become different, and you might be at a disadvantage. So I would suggest that this shouldn't be your only source of income, you know. But if this is your passion, you can still do that. Other downsides are, if you have a bad day or you're having multiple bad days, even in your personal life or your Forex trading life, it is going to affect your Forex trading, especially if you are not doing automated trading. If you're doing manual trading, your mood is going to be a big factor of you being profitable or not. There's also another downside, and the other downside is that even if you become profitable for a whole year, market conditions can change, and then your strategy could be not useful anymore. And then after a while you might lose some money, and then you will think that, oh, it's all a scam, it doesn't work, and then you might give up, you know. This could also happen. So there are a lot of disadvantages too, you know. And the lifestyle of it requires you to be very focused on this, and being too focused in Forex trading will make you not so focused in other aspects of your life. So the main thing is that your personal development will go down, and it's important to be improving in your personal life, day-to-day personal life, your fitness, your looks, your educations, you know, your social circles, and all these things are really important for your personal life and your personal fulfillment. Yeah. And the last advantage I would tell you that it is that you're not benefiting anyone. You're not going out there and helping someone, unless you are, of course, trading for someone, you know, or teaching someone how to be become profitable and be free, but overall your business in the way that you're working, I mean, if you exchange a product with someone or something, you're actually there's a purpose behind it. You want, like, for example, you're selling electric toilets, right? um, if you are selling those things, you are like, your goal might be to, uh, I want to make people life more convenient, stuff like that. So that's your purpose. You actually have a purpose and you're doing good stuffs, and that will change your personality too, because you are doing good stuffs. Even if you are exchanging money for it, you are still doing something that's helping someone in society. But in forex trading, if you're just trading out there, it's a zero sum game. You're making money because someone is losing money, overall. Yeah. So yeah, you need to put that in your mind. And in forex trading, it might not be too much of like that, but overall the money that you're making is because someone lost it. It's not because you've exchanged some goods, some value with someone. So it's very different. It's more like gambling. Yeah. So you might not get fulfillment out of this unless you are the type of person who gets fulfillment out of taking advantage of someone. That is one way to view it. Or the other way is that you don't care about the world. You're just that type of person that, I just make money off the tradings, and if someone loses money on the market, it's their own fault because they are not doing the things that I'm doing right now. If you have that kind of philosophy, then it might work out for you, and it could still be, you still have a little bit fulfillment, but it's not as good as you actually going out there helping someone, getting fulfillment out of that. So that could be one of those downsides you'll be missing out on, because when you're doing something that gives you fulfillment, your personality changes, and it reflects in your social life, and you attract more people in your life, and good stuff start to happen because of your personality being good. So being in other businesses that are actually having a purpose and helping people, they not only make money but also get a lot of satisfaction in their personal life. So I hope you got something out of this, and if you like this video, please press the like button, press the subscribe button, and help the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. All the best, guys.